Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard 2nd, Semester 2nd book. The Fisherman and the Golden Fish. I have completed the grammar, activity, language, development, everything. All I have completed. Only the remaining part was answer the following questions. Answer the following questions, page number 36. 4. Answer the following question. Third one, who said these words and to whom? We have completed. We have completed everything. From this only the fourth question, answer the following questions only remain. So take down the question answers. Who was Vanju? Who was Vanju? See here. Who was Vanju? Vanju was a simple, kind-hearted fisherman. Kind-hearted fisherman. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. Full stop. Vanju, V-A-N-J-U, Vanju, W-S was a simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple, kind, K-I-N-D, kind, hearted, H-E-A-R-T-E-D, hearted, fisher, F-I-S-H-E-R, fisher, M-A-N, man. He, H-E, he, went, W-E-N-T, went, D-O-W-N, down, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, S-E-A-C, every day, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day, to catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Then B1. B1, where did Vanju live? Where did Vanju live? Vanju lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. Where did Vanju live? Vanju, V-A-N-J-U, Vanju lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived with, W-I-T-H, W-I-T-H, with his, H-I-S, his wife, W-I-F-E, W-I-F-E, wife, in a, I-N, in a, L-I-T-T-L-E, little hut, H-U-T, hut, near, N-E-A-R, near, T-H-E, the, S-E-A-C. What did Vanju see in his net? What did Vanju see in his net? C1, no? One day Vanju got a big catch. He saw a golden fish in his net. He saw a golden fish in his net. So, O-N-E-1, D-A-Y, day, Vanju, V-A-N-J-U, Vanju, got, G-O-T, got, A, B-I-G, big, C-A-T-C-H, catch, H-E, he, S-A-W, saw, A, golden, G-O-L-D-E-N, golden, F-I-S-H, fish, I-N, in, H-I-S, his, N-E-T, net. D1, why was Vanita angry? Why was Vanita angry? Vanita was angry because Vanju allowed the golden fish to go back in the sea. Go back in the sea. Vanita was angry because Vanju allowed the golden fish to go back in the sea. V-A-N-I-T-A, Vanita, W-S was angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because Vanju, V-A-N-J-U, Vanju allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed the, T-H-E, the golden, G-O-L-D-E-N, golden, F-I-S-H, fish, T-O-2, G-O-Go, B-A-C-K, back, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, S-E-A-C. Now E1. What was the throne made of? What was the throne? What was the throne made of? The throne was made of gold and diamonds. T-H-E, the throne, T-H-R-O-N-E, throne was, W-A-S was, M-A-D-E, made, O-F, of, G-O-L-D, gold, and and diamonds, D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S, diamonds. So E1 is over F. Question number F. What three wishes were made by Vanita? What three wishes were made by Vanita? The three wishes made by Vanita, they are in her first wish, Vanita wanted a big house with a garden. Second one, her second wish was to be a queen. And third one was, in her third wish, she wanted the golden fish to be her slave. Okay. Now, take down. The three, THREE, wishes, 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 made by Vanita, 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 they are. First one, in her first wish, INHER, her, FIRST, first wish, 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 Vanita wanted a big house with a garden, BIG, big, HOUSE, house, WITH, with a garden, GARDEN, garden. Second one, her second, HER, her, SECOND, second wish, 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 WS was TO2BEBA, queen, QUEEN, queen. And third one, and third one was what it was? In her third wish, INHER, her, THIRD, third wish, 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 she, she wanted, 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 the golden, 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 FISH, fish, TO2BEB, her, 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 slave, SLAVE. Ninth, G, not ninth, ABCDEFG question, no? What did she get for her third wish? What did she get for her third wish? As soon as she thought of making golden fish her slave, there was a big storm in the sea and it took away everything. Finally, they got back their original hut. So, as SWON, soon, as SHE, thought, 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 OF, of, making, 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 golden, 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 FISH, fish, HER, her, SLAVE, slave, THERE, there, WS was a, BIG, big, storm, 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 in, THE, the, SEAC, and A, and IT, it, TWOK, took away, 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 everything, EVERY, every, THING, thing. Finally, 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 they, THEY, they got, GOT, got back, they got back, 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 their, 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 original, ORIGINAL, original hut, HUT, original hut, H1. What lesson do you learn from this story? Yes, what lesson do you learn from this story? One must not be greedy we should feel happy with whatever we have. With whatever we have. ONE one, MUST must, NOT not, BEB greedy, GREEDY greedy. VWEV SHOULD should. We should feel, FEEL feel, HAPPY happy, with 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 whatever, WHATEVER whatever, VWEV have, HAVE have. Now challenge. Now question answers. All the question answers from A to H has been given for you. Yes or no? Now challenge, that is the last from this all I have completed. Now challenge, only one portion still is remain. Challenge. Observe the pictures, write 3 sentences using pair of opposite words in your notebook. See here, coconut tree is tall one, banyan tree is short and fat one. Yes or no? Okay. So, observe the pictures, write 3 sentences using pairs of opposite words in your notebook. Answer. A banyan tree is short, but the coconut tree is tall. A banyan, BANYAN, banyan tree, TREE tree. IS is SHORT, short, but BUT, but the TH, the coconut, COCONUT, coconut tree, TREE tree is 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 TALL, tall. The leaves of a banyan, the TH, the LEAVES, leaves, yes, the leaves of 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 A, BANYAN, banyan tree, TREE tree are small, but that of coconut tree are small. Yes, just a minute. Tree, TREE tree, ARER, small, but BUT, but that of, THAT, that of, OF of, COCONUT, coconut tree, TREE tree, ARER, big, that of coconut tree are big. The trunk, TH, the TRUNK, trunk of a banyan, BA, the TH, the TRUNK, trunk, OF of A, BANYN, banyan, TREE tree, IS is THICK, thick, but BUT, but that THAT, that of 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 a coconut, 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 TREE tree is 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 thin, THIN, thin. See here, it's so big and this is so thin, no? Yes. So your portion is the fisherman's, all the things is completed, that is portion of the fisherman topic is completed. The fisherman and the golden fish with question answers, all the portion is completed. Okay, everything I have given everything. Only the question answers was remaining and this portion was remaining. The challenge portion was remaining. These two I have given now. Okay, children. So now, what will be the homework? Write the question answers for 2 times. Write the question answers, page number 36. Write the question answers for 2 times and learn by heart, and also observe the picture. You write this too for 2 times. This what I have given challenge, write for 2 times. With this we will meet in the next video. Thank you children.